Tip 1. Cabbage and egg cake. First, I prepare about 1/4 of a cabbage and slice it very thinly. Then I put the thinly sliced cabbage into a bowl and poured water over it to rinse it clean. Next, I put the chopped cabbage into a large bowl. Then I grated the washed carrots very finely. Next, I put the chopped carrots into a large bowl. Then, I crack an egg into the bowl. Next, I add salt, pepper, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Then, I use a spoon to mix the mixture well, so that all the ingredients blend together. Next, I add a little cooking oil to the pan and use a brush to spread it evenly over the surface of the pan. When the pan was hot, I scooped a small portion of the cabbage mixture onto the pan and used a spoon to skillfully create a round hole in the middle of the pancake. I continued to do the same to make 2 more pancakes. I covered the pan with a lid to help the pancake cook more evenly for a few minutes. When the bottom of the pancakes began to harden, I gently flipped them over so they would cook more evenly. Next, I scoop a little of the liquid from the original cabbage mixture and lightly drizzle it over the surface of the pancakes. Now comes the important step. I crack an egg into a small bowl, then pour the egg white into the center of the pancake to create a mold, then gently place the yolk in the middle. I do the same with the remaining 2 pancakes. Then I prepare the sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then stir well. Next, I pour the prepared sauce into the pan. then sprinkled green onions and chili peppers on top to make the dish more visually appealing. Finally, I cover the pan and cook for another 2-3 minutes until the eggs are just set. And there you have it, a delicious egg and cabbage pancake that's soft on the inside and slightly crispy on the outside. Which country are you watching this video from? Leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Tip 2. Cabbage rolls with sausage. To start, I prepare 150 grams of shredded cabbage. If the cabbage shreds are too long, I cut them shorter. Next, I wash the cabbage thoroughly. Next, I prepare a large bowl. Then crack 4 eggs into the bowl and beat them well with a fork. I add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a little pepper. Remove the cabbage from the bowl of water and add it to the eggs bowl. Next, I chop a few green onions to add flavor to the dish. Then, I shred half a carrot and chop it finely. Now I need 2 sausages. I use a knife to make a few light cuts on the sausage casings. I turn on the stove, add a little cooking oil to the pan, and spread it evenly over the surface. Then fry the 2 sausages until cooked and set them aside. When the pan is hot, I scoop a spoonful of the cabbage and egg mixture into the pan, then use a spatula to spread the mixture into a thin layer. When the bottom of the cabbage and egg layer begins to stick together, I place 2 slices of cheese on top and place a sausage on the surface. Next, I use a spatula to gently roll up the egg and cabbage layer. When the egg roll is almost finished, I push it to one side of the pan, then scoop another layer of fresh cabbage mixture into the pan to continue the outer roll. I roll it again to make the cake thicker and firmer. It's great to connect with people from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, Please click the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. When the egg roll is evenly golden brown, I remove it from the pan and cut it into bite-sized pieces. So today we've made two incredibly interesting dishes together, using familiar ingredients like eggs and cabbage. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is what motivates me to keep sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.